Welcome to Lavidarosa. I'm your host Pinky, and today I'm going to be trying a new Olaplex dupe, this time when I'm bleaching my hair. So if you'd like to see more, then just stay tuned. I would also like for you guys to check out my new shop, lavidarosastyle.com, where there are so many cute accessories for you to choose from, and also the website features some wigs for my wig reviews. So make sure you check out that link in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this video. Okay, so here's another bleaching video for my channel, but today there's a little twist. So I've been hearing about this Olaplex dupe, and it's the Ion Absolute Perfection Booster, and it comes in this little box. I got this from Sally. It was like no more than like a total of $2. This is how the bottle looks. My hair has never been permanently negatively affected by bleach. I've always been able to do like an intensive hair treatment and my hair just, you know, snaps back to normal. Basically, Olaplex is supposed to help keep your hair moisturized and protected and all that stuff while you bleach. I've never used Olaplex, but I'm all about dupes, and I didn't see any videos with people with my hair texture, which you can't tell right now because my hair is basically blown out, but I have type 4 hair, and if you check out some of my other videos you can see my texture. And I wanted to see, how does this work with my texture of hair, because I just didn't see any videos that had it. So I'm going to be testing this out today because I need to touch up my roots. As you can see, they're out of control. My very first step was to separate my hair into 4 sections. Put a lot of oil, olive oil, around my edges and on my roots because that's just what I do. So that's like my step 1. Step 2, grab a plastic bowl, and also I have a measuring cup that I'm going to be measuring my lightening powder, which I use Blue Flash. This is what I've been using for years now. To me, this lightens your hair quicker and less damaging. I don't know the science behind none of this stuff, y'all. This is just what I know from experience. This works for me. And I'm going to be trying a new developer today. Usually I use Clairol, but I'm going to use Ion Developer because this is an Ion product, so I was like, I might as well keep it in the family. Like I said, I usually use 20 developer, but this is 30 developer. But since I'm going to be using this Olaplex dupe, it says due to intense conditioning actives, increase the level of developer 1 full volume for best results. So 10 volume to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. I'm already a little nervous to be doing this, y'all, because I told y'all I normally do 20. Like, I hate veering from things I normally do because something could go wrong and my brain. So what I'm gonna do is what I normally do, but then I'm gonna add this at the end. So it says you need 1 vial for every 2 ounces of mixture. Let me see, now I gotta do math. 1 vial for every 2 ounces of mixture. So since I'm doing 1-to-1, if I do 1 ounce of developer, 1 ounce of lightener, I'll need 1 of these. I'm gonna be mixing up 4 ounces of developer, 4 ounces of the lightener, and that's gonna make 8 ounces of bleach mixture, and I'm gonna need 4 vials. And I did the correct math when I first bought this. I don't know why I'm sitting up here doing it again. I was right the first time. Let me just go ahead and do this, y'all. I need to use gloves. Sometimes I forget and I'm like, Pinky, do not play around with bleach. One time I got bleach on my hand and it didn't really do nothing because I rinsed it off in time, but that section was very sensitive. So I'm like, I am not trying to bleach my skin any lighter. I'm light enough. This smells really good. Shh, not while I'm pouring. Okay, for this concoction, I'm gonna need 4 of these. So I'm just gonna pour all 4 in here. So, like I said, hopefully I don't need any more because I don't have any more of these. Dang, how you open this? Oh. Alright guys, so I don't know if y'all can see, but it's not really mixing, so you have to mix it up together. I don't want it to waste out of here, but it's kind of like oil and vinegar. It's not mixing, so I'm gonna go ahead and mix this in here. Woo, it's strong, y'all. It is strong. This is the 8 ounces plus the ion booster. And now I'm about to apply this to my roots. I'm gonna set the timer for 20 minutes. After those 20 minutes, I'm gonna rinse this out. But first, I'm just gonna work the bleach in more. Make sure the bleach is, you know, covering the edges and everywhere that it needs to be covering. Honestly, the front is just the main part that I'm worried about. Like the top, the crown, whatever you want to call it, that's the main area. It's already turning in the front, so basically we're just waiting on the back. And yeah, I'm gonna go wash my hands and I will come back once I'm all rinsed out. All right, so here are the finished results. It does feel softer than how we usually feel after a normal bleach session, you know what I'm saying? It does feel softer. I want to see how my hair feels like after I use my intensive hair treatment. But before we do that, I want to I'm gonna have to tone my hair before we go there. And for toner, you need 1 part toner and 1 part developer. I'm using Wella Charm T11. Wella Charm T11 is the lightest beige blonde. I'm going to be using 2 bottles. 2 bottles is about 3 ounces. And so I'm basically going to put 2 ounces of 20 developer, because you're supposed to use 20 developer with toner. Woo! That's strong too. Child, don't get it too close to your face. And so I'm going to mix that up. And it's gonna make like a purpley I'm sorry y'all, oh my goodness. And you might not, it might not be purple in the bowl, but once it gets on your hair it's gonna turn purple. So for this part, I usually just use my hands. I apply it from roots to tip. I apply it to the whole thing because I feel like it just makes my hair one color and it doesn't really affect my hair in a negative way. But I will also like be careful with that. Do your proper research and all that. I just start at the roots and then I'll do the ends at the end. This is actually like my favorite part. Like, I love applying the toner because I like the smell of it. It smells so delicious. Okay, I'm gonna take a clip and hold this section in place while I do the rest. Honestly, I forgot. I didn't even need this much toner. I probably could have just used 1 bottle. And now I'm mad. Because I definitely could have used only 1 bottle. You can kind of see the purple. Yeah, a little bit of toner goes a long way in conclusion. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, I'm going to leave this on for 20 minutes. But here's my hair after I've washed everything out. I washed, conditioned, and I did a intensive hair treatment using DermOrganic intensive hair repair mask. And y'all, this will change your life. I think I've mentioned this on pretty much every bleaching video I've ever done. People have written me messages telling me this stuff has like changed their hair. Like, their hair was like dry and brittle and they started using this, and after like 2 or 3 treatments, their hair came back to life. This is a little expensive, but it's totally worth the money, and I would advise you to get the bigger bottle. I bought the little bottle because they were out of the bigger bottle. I got mine from Amazon. I'll find the link and leave it down below. This stuff is a life changer. I'm not kidding, not kidding, not kidding, not kidding. I think everyone should try this at least once. If their hair is color treated, it will change your life, trust me. My hair is so soft and luscious. Honestly, I think as far as the Olaplex dupe, I did see a difference. My hair wasn't as like dry as it was, and even now it feels super soft. I mean, obviously it's because of the hair repair too, but I do think there is a difference with how my hair feels. And my hair feels amazing, and I feel like the dye job was pretty good. Some sections need to be redone. I think I'm gonna touch up again in like 2 weeks and like hit all the places that need it. And look, I didn't lose my curl pattern. That's the most important part, the fact that I didn't lose my curl pattern, which I never do. I never have. Some people like to think that if you bleach your hair you automatically lose your curl pattern. Maybe some people have, but that doesn't happen to me. My hair is pretty much the same, and thank God that is the case. Again, my hair still curls and naps up the way it's supposed to. Okay, but yeah, let me know what you guys think about this process. I would love to hear your opinion, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next one.